Hello, Gerald Claudio here. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ako personally, I'm really looking an opportunity na makatulong ako sa mga fellow network marketers natin. No? If you're a network marketer at saka first time ka dito sa page ko, this is a Gerard Claudio page because I have my personal page, which is Gerard Christian Claudio. That's my personal page. It's more on motivation and general discussion about success, and that's what I do in my personal profile. But for this Facebook page, I'm using this to specifically discuss. Okay, this is on Pinoy MLM Tactics. Specifically discuss any topic about network marketing, mapa mindset, or may mga times I'm also discussing about strategies and tactics generally. Okay, but for this video, ang gusto kong pag-usapan natin is why I'm really concerned about network marketers and bakit personally sa akin, no, I had a high respect. Mataas ang respeto ako sa mga network marketers. Previously, kahapon lang, I created a video which I answered an anti-MLM comment. No? And this is not to embarrass that person na nag-comment. Pero for us, as a community sa network marketing, may matutunan tayo paano i-approach, paano mo ito titingnan yung ganitong view. Kasi most of the time, lalo na pag nag-iisa ka, wala kang upline, wala kang community, pero masigasig ka sa network marketing, yung mga times na tinitingnan mo itong mga comment na to at parang nayayanig din yung paniniwala mo sa industriya natin. Tama. And in that way, I could help you in my simple way, kaya ako siya dinaisek kahapon. If you haven't watched it, check mo dito sa my page ko, nandun yung video, and you can watch it. No? Marami kang matututunan doon. No? In my personal realization din naman, no? I'm saying it in a personal realization. But I have a deep concern for network marketers because I realize that ang mga network marketers, hindi ko alam kung bakit, no? Talagang alam mo yun, super motivated. Aside sa super motivated, alam mo yun, super enthusiastic. At the same time, hindi umaayaw sa mga challenges. Lalong-lalo na kung battle-hardened ka na network marketer. Okay, battle-hardened ba? Parang talagang tumagal ka sa network marketing. Parang from mano-mano, nag-online ka, nag-automation, kung ano man. Diba? Nakikita ko talaga yung sigasig eh. Diba? Mostly ng mga network marketers, lalo na tumagal sa industriya na naintindihan yung buong concept, ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa kanila, hindi umaayaw, iniinda ang mga challenges. Iniinda yung puyat, iniinda yung alam mo yun, kumaga, hindi yung tipong binibilang yung effort. Kumbaga, kung yan ang kailangan kong gawin, yan ang kailangan kong gawin, no matter what the cost is. Ganun yung mindset ba? And I really appreciate that. Coming, of course, from me going from different communities, like sa work before, even sa church, and network marketers are one of the community na nakita ko na ano ba, talagang pagkasama mo yung mga tutunay na network marketing, talagang very, very positive, di ba? On the other hand, I don't know if you agree with that. Drop nyo agree sa my comments, no? Kung matagal ka na sa network marketing or bago ka pa lang sa network marketing and somehow na-observe mo yun, di ba? Lalo na yung mga talagang sineryoso yung industriyang ito. On the other hand, lalong-lalo na kung nagsisimula ka sa network marketing or along the way, either nawala yung upline mo or wala kang upline right now or nawala yung community mo or wala ka ng team, ikaw lang mag-isa, it's also challenge or struggle, specifically, yung mga hindi nag-network marketing, hindi mo masabi sa kanila yung problema mo or challenge mo sa business. Tama ba? I'm saying that because most people, ito personal ko lang, bago ko lang na-realize to, no? Lalo na when I launched my course, yung Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. When I launched the course, right now, in the span of 5 weeks, I have hundreds of enrollees na. No, I'm creating every week content. Naka 19 plus videos na ata ako. Tama ba? 19 or 18 videos na. In addition, doon sa mga content na inilagay ko, yung core na module, plus yung bonus na module, plus may mga supplementary videos na ginawa ko. All of this is to serve the community, and for hundreds na nag-enroll, nakakatuwa kasi kung hindi ako magkakamali, ang dami na nagme-message sa akin. These are them messaging me, and by, parang sobrang grateful nila. Nagulat din ako kasi, of course, I just appreciate them appreciating what they learned. And if you are someone na may upline ka, super tutok yung upline mo sa'yo, may community ka, and yung community mo is talagang solid sila, no? Nandun sila present, moving forward with you, pasalamatan mo yan. Kasi nag-realize ko hindi lahat merong ganun. No? And lalong-lalo na kung nagsisimula ka sa industry ng network marketing, hindi mo masabi yung mga challenges mo, even sa mga relative tsaka family mo, kasi they would tell you, ba't ka pa nandyan? Alam mo, nagets nyo, parang hindi ka makakuha ng tamang suggestion because they themselves just want you to quit, not because they they are negative about or they don't believe you. It's just that they thought they are saving you from the pain na wala namang mapapala dyan. Nakuha niya ba? I don't know if you can relate to that. Type nyo relate sa my comments. So I have a deep concern and that's the reason kung bakit ako nagkakreate ng content for network marketers. In some way, in my very small way, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, nabubuhayan ka ng loob. Ang dami nagme-message sa akin, lalo na yung mga nag-enroll sa Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. They learned a lot from it. Tama, from creating funnel automation. Actually, a lot of people are thinking that automation is removing the human factor into it. But the truth is, you can't remove, diba? You can leverage some of the parts of your business like auto presentation ka and teach that. Even tactics, no? I've learned tactics. Nakakatuwa kasi yung ang pinaka natutuwa akong mga comment nila is coach, nakapag ano na ako. They call me coach. Okay. Nakakatawa lang. Meron doon naka-rank advance. Nag-rank advance na into the next level. Di ba nakakatawa ganun? They only paid 899 pesos tapos nag-rank advance sila. Tapos ang dami dito na marami rin na tambak yung products nila kasi hindi niya alam kung paano ibebenta because focus sila sa recruiting and then they learned na hindi naman pala necessary yun. And right now, their products are moving, customers are expanding, and some of them nagkakaroon ng sign-up, 1 sign-up, 2 sign-ups, 3 sign-ups. Alam mo, nakakatuwa ba to really feel that way? And sila mismo yung nagsasabi nun. Like, nakakatuwa na mapakinggan na sa halagang 899 with all the things that I structured because I wanted to help network marketers. Some people might say, oh, Jared, kung gusto mo tulungan, ba't hindi mo ilibre? Hindi ko ililibre yun kasi I wanted to see kung sino talaga yung seryoso. If you're really serious about your growth, what's 899? You guys has attended, maybe if you've been long in network marketing, you have been attended thousands and thousands of pesos of courses and in workshops. Diba? You're willing to invest in that. What's 899 for one-time payment and lifetime access, diba? And one of the things that I really appreciate is dun ko nakita na marami pala talaga sa network marketing industry na super, super sigasig at nanggigigil naman ko yung pangarap nila. It's just that they don't have the right community or they don't have the right mentors, they don't have the right information to really get it. No? So, but then again, as a whole in general, I just appreciate the people, yung mga network marketers, yung mga tao na, alam mo yun, yung maraming nag-enroll sa akin na matatagal na sa industriya eh. Talagang, as in, literally matatagal. I even have people, I was really surprised how humble top earners are. Ang dami kong kilala ng mga top earners that they are actually even getting the course in itself. I was really surprised, no? Imagine mo, mga 9 figures na total ang kinita sa network marketing. Tapos, mag-a-avail ng course ko. It's such, how humbling is that? No? Personally sa akin, really privileged na that they would respond in that way. But then I just realized one thing. Kaya pala sila top earner. Kasi hindi sila nag-a-assume na alam nila lahat. They keep on acquiring new knowledge. They keep on acquiring new skills. They keep on acquiring new information. And that's I think is one of the things na natutunan ko. Meron ako isang top earner na sabi niya sa akin. Nagulat ako kasi I think I heard this from one course na I also get. Ang sabi niya, I even learned from my downlines. And I was like, it's a new principle for me. Kasi, you learn from your downlines? It's just amazing, diba? To have people that has that kind of mentality na they don't assume that they are the best simply because they're the upline or they are the mentor. They said, I even learned from my downlines. Amazing that may mga top earners actually na kumuha ng course. Nakaka-amaze. I'm just amazed about it. No, natutuwa ako. So, if you're somebody that is listening to me, no, at network marketer ka, at feeling mo nawawalan ka na ng gana, I just want you to know that even my presence in this Facebook page, I hope that encourages you to keep moving forward. Regardless kung nasaan ka ngayon ng business mo. Regardless kung nagsisimula ka at nahihirapan kang mag-pull up ng business mo. Either ilang beses ka na nag-join ng ibang companies pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Or may success ka na, biglang nawala yung lahat ng napaghirapan mo, you feel like, am I going to build again? Right? Or kung nasa ang estado ka ng network marketing business mo, or kung nasa ang status ka, I hope etong mga ginagawa kong content in my simple way, if you're listening to me, if you've been following me for quite a while, actually, kaka-start ko lang eh, wala pa akong 3 buwan. Nag-start pa lang ako mag-create ng content dito, 5 weeks ata. 5 weeks ako nag-create ng content if you've been following me. And I hope that my point is to encourage you to ignite the fire again, na mangarap ka ulit that network marketing is the best, if not the best opportunity na pwede mong simulan at pwede mong ma-share sa iba. And you can build this together with people, the like-minded people that want to run with you, that want to build a business with you. Nandun na tayo, given na yun. May mga negative talaga sa labas. In fact, I would like to even say that you don't have to focus the negative. Kasi bakit ka mag-focus sa negative kung mas marami yung mga tao na talagang gustong gawin ng industriyang ito? I've been a network marketer for 11 years. Just would like to say this, no? Mag-11 years na ako this year. And I remained in one company. Okay, just to say this, no? And what I've learned is throughout my 1 decade of building the business, hindi naman talaga komplikadong mag-network marketing. It's not really that complicated. It's just that may human factor kasi. Like may fear tayo, may doubt tayo, may discouragement tayo. Minsan, madalas, lazy tayo, may katamaran tayo, or alam mo yun, parang you feel alone, may mga ganun ka. So, kaya sabi ko, why not? In this way, I create a content, I create a course for those people that who wanted to learn more. Tama. In such a way, I just enjoy it. No? In fact, yung mga pagla-live ko dito is just as natural. I just think about my title and then ito yung gusto kong sabihin for tonight. It's not really that structured. I wanted to be as raw as possible yung pakikipag-usap ko sa inyo. Okay? Kaya kung nasa network marketing ka, hindi ka nag-iisa. Marami tayo. Gawin lang tamang business na to. Gawin lang natin ng tama. Hindi natin kailangan sirain yung ibang industry, hindi natin kailangan sirain yung iba. Alam mo yun? You can do this business in a solid and honest way. You don't need to over-exaggerate your products. You don't need to over-exaggerate lifestyle. Tama? Just do the thing every single day. Have a tinatawag na daily method of operation. We call it in our team prime tasks. I do it every single day. Be faithful to it. And enjoy the process. Learn to every conversation na meron ka. If nawawalan ka na ng battery, either go to your upline, go to your community, or watch me. Diba? In such a way na ma-encourage ka ulit and go back to the game until makuha mo yung desired result mo dito. Imagine you guys kung gaano kagandang industriyang ito. Pumasok ka sa network marketing. And there are so many ways to do marketing. Ibig kong sabihin, hindi ka stuck up sa isa lang. Hindi ka stuck up sa face-to-face presentation. Hindi ka stuck up sa door-to-door na presentation. Hindi ka stuck up sa Zoom. Hindi ka stuck up lang sa specific digital strategy. You can do everything, no? But of course, in my case, I wanted it to be home-based. I wanted it to be leverage, which is right now I'm formulating it. I'm really, really excited, no? Specifically, I'm creating phases in my organization, which you can do it as well, no? May mga automated onboarding kami sa team, no? Which makes it more efficient for people to join and start. Diba? But then again, ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, if you're listening to me right now, network marketer ka, okay? Believe ako sa'yo. This is not exaggeration. Believe talaga ako sa'yo. Tumagal ka sa industriyang to, na-experience mo lahat ng mga na kailangan mo experience, at some point, na-discourage ka, you have thousands of reasons to quit, pero nagpatuloy ka, congratulations. Congratulations. Hindi ka man maintindihan ng mga mahal mo sa buhay ngayon, hindi ka man maintindihan ng mga tao na deep why mo, di ba? Ang term nila, deep why. Term natin sa industry, deep why. Sila yung deep why mo, pero sila yung nagde-discourage sa'yo, okay lang yan. Patuloy ka lang. Because there are ways and means to do it. You know, ako personally, I'll tell you my journey. I started network marketing talagang face-to-face kami. Talagang pupunta kami sa bahay, pupunta kami sa coffee shop, pag-meet up. Ganun talaga, as in, belly to belly. Elbow to elbow. Belly to belly. Talagang usap talaga ng tao. Then magbe-build kami ng event. Ganun talaga. Napalaki namin yung organization namin. And then when pandemic came, I started to shift sandali lang. Sabi ko, if may pandemic pala at hindi ako nag-shift sa online, anong mangyayari? Then I started to go social media. Kaya some of you are following my main personal profile. Upon doing this video, I have 753,000 followers na doon because sineryoso ko yung social media. I even have recruit a ton of people. No? Sobrang dami ko na-recruit through social media lang, nasa bahay ako. And then right now, my next journey is to really build an exact program na pwede siyang gawin ng automation. And then looking, yung tipong gusto, ang binibuild ko ngayon sa team ko is yung tipong yung hinahanap mo na prospect, yung naghahanap sa'yo. Kasi ako personally, ang dami kong followers sa social media. And I learned that not everybody that follows you in social media really are interested to your business. Now, they benefit from what I post, maybe live or whatever. But not all of them can be my customer or can be my business partner. So sabi ko, ano bang pwedeng gawin? So yun yung fino-formulate ka. I'm really excited the next coming months, no? Actually, ginajuggle ko lang to sa responsibility ko rin sa church, no? Kasi may project rin kami na nilalunch sa church right now. But then again, ang gusto ko i-point out is, this is where I'm leading. All of these transitions that I have in my business, from face-to-face, to online, to social media, to right now, going to automation and unlimited lead generation, I'm really excited. If you will just understand that network marketing has so much potential, hindi ka titigil. Hindi ka titigil. Agree ba? Type nyo agree sa may comment kung agree kayo. Tama. So, with the 899 course, my students thought na sila yung natuto sa akin. Pero in fact, ang dami kong natutunan sa kanila. With all the realization, marami kong ma-aha moments sa kanila. And ako, kung student kita, kung nag-register ka sa Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint, gusto ko lang sabihin to, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for the trust. Thank you so much for encouraging me as well. No, it's really mutual. Meaning to say, hindi lang ako. Kayo, you've been, ang daming nagme-message sa akin. Maraming salamat yung mga thank you, yung mga na-appreciate nyo ako. Hindi tayo magkakilala, guys. You just enrolled. Maybe you saw my ad. Tama? You saw my ad. And then, nag-enroll ka. You run through the course. You run through the module. You're watching me in our exclusive FB group. And then, you make results. Nakakatuwa. Thank you so much. Ako, sobrang happy ko talaga. I've never been as fulfilling and as energized right now. Helping the network marketing community, not only my team, but helping the network marketing community. Hindi pa naman ganun kalaki. Like, I only have couple of students, but the couple of students that I'm with, they're asking me questions. So kung may mga times na hindi ko masagot, I'm doing live for them, but I'm really answering questions for those students. Kasi gusto ko makatulong talaga. Seriously. I'm really serious about it. No, and in that way, bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo to? Siguro yun ang dahilan kung ba't ako tumagal sa industriyang ito. If there's one thing that I learned, you can make a lot of money outside. You can make a lot of money. I'm a seafarer by profession. I don't need network marketing to earn six-figure income. I can earn that through being a master mariner, maging kapitan sa barko. But of course, the promise of time and being with my family, hindi mabibigay ng OFW life yun. Or being a seafarer. But I think one thing na appreciate ko dito sa network marketing na naturo sa akin, have the mentality of service. Have the mentality of service. Hindi ko inaangat yung sarili kong bangko. Don't get me wrong into it. Pero gusto ko lang itong matutunan yun. Ito yung tinuro sa akin. Have the mentality of service. In fact, I even overdo it, yung service. I even overdo the service. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not a perfect upline. But if there's one thing I really do with the people that I'm with my organization, alam nila yan, that I'm always available when they message me. I'm always there when they need me. In fact, madalas ako yung makulit. And kaya nga, di ba, may mga times na I'm really frustrated because I wanted to help the person but the person doesn't want to succeed. That's totally fine. Yun siguro yung isang struggle ko din, and that's the downside to that. But then when I realized that I became, I survived network marketing. I thrive in network marketing. I enjoy network marketing because I see network marketing industry as a means of service to people. Kaya yung mga negative sa network marketing na sinasabi na nakakaawa daw yung mga ganun. Kasi ganun yung mentality nila nung nag-join sila. You can be in network marketing, but at the same time, you can be in a mentality of service. You can be in network marketing and be in a mentality of service. Diba? People say, ano ka na lang, bakit service pala, mag-NGO ka na lang. Makes sense. Pero you have to understand how amazing it is na habang tinutulungan mo to, umaangat ka din. Ibig sabihin, the more you become, the more people that you can serve. Are you getting me? And that's what I love about network marketing. You become more in wealth, you have more in time. Tama? So, yung mga basic needs mo, yung mga basics of life, specifically bills mo, natitake care na siya ng network marketing business mo. So, may oras ka. Yung oras mo, yung gagamitin mo para ma-serve yung maraming mong mga teammates or ibang mga ka-network marketing mo, or yung mga tao na gusto mo pang educate for network marketing. How amazing is that? Or if you have a product or a service that really helps people, you're a network marketer that into your products, you can serve people with their health, you can serve people with benefiting and making their life easier and convenient because they use your service or whatever service ang binibigay mo sa iyong network marketing customers. How amazing is that? Type nyo agree, click nyo ang heart, drop mo dyan sa may comment heart emoji if somehow you relate to what I'm saying. Tama ba? And with that, yan yung gusto kong sa inyo. Hello, Ma'am Christy Ferrer Karamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Robbie Tomimbang. Hello, agree. Isabel De Castro. Good evening. No? Yes, tuna lang sa mahirap. Oo, tama yun. No? So basically, no, yun ang gusto ko man. I think the reason, nag-grasp ko yung part ng service. In fact, tukwenta ko sa inyo, this is something I'm not saying that I'm purely ganun talaga. When one of our mentors taught us the idea of service, hindi ko maintindihan na simula eh. Kasi ang tingin ko sa negosyo, income lang talaga eh. Ang tingin ko sa negosyo, income lang. Sabi ko, paano ko magsaserve? So theoretically, people can say that you just recruit people and then you benefit from it. In fact, you can only benefit at maximum to a certain recruit if you serve that recruit or serve that person na pinayin mo at maximum. So either creating a very solid structure, a very solid organization, system for your team that everybody jump on board, everybody can follow the same system. It's such amazing. Okay, so there are so many ways to do it, but I thought it's just akala ko kasi parang binobola lang kami ng mga mentors until I saw it in action. Until I saw mentors that really, literally, in all seriousness, they're doing it out of service. And with that, I really appreciate it. Most of the time, the service to the downlines are unappreciated, and that's totally fine. Because the downlines thought that, anyway, my upline is benefiting it from me. Pero alam nyo ba, nung tumagal na ako sa network marketing, never na ako nag-isip sa upline ko na yun. Doon ako mas nirespeto ko yung mga upline ko. Mas binigyan ko ang halaga yung time nila. If you don't have the upline, if you don't have the people, you can visit this page and get an encouragement from that and continue your network marketing. Wala namang problema yan. And those are the things. Yun yung mga na-realize ko lang. No? Be a person of service. Imagine mo kung mas cascade mo yung ganyong mentality sa team mo. How solid and powerful your team if everybody has the mentality of serving people. Di ba nakakatuwa? Agree ba? Right? Agree ba kayo? Type nyo agree sa may comment ko. Agree kayo sinasabi ko. Okay? So, yun lang naman guys, no? Gusto ko lang ma-encourage. And at the same time, no? If you're somebody na ikinig ka ngayon sa akin, bago ka or maybe matagal ka na sa network marketing industry, if you're gonna ask me, Gerald, can I really benefit from your course? $899 one-time payment, lifetime access. Okay? Hindi ko alam. Sa totoo lang, I don't know. It depends on how you're gonna apply the principles na tuturo ko. Take it from the people na nag-enroll. I'm really, really happy, surprisingly happy, in such a way that their responses are such amazing. Take it from the post. May kita mo naman yung post ko dyan eh. These are actual messages of people from me na hindi ko naman sila sanabi na message ako, but they're messaging. Such an amazing thing. Take it from them. If $899 could give you 2 sign-ups for your organization and that 2 sign-up brought you the leader that you wanted, your $899 is already paid. Akin lang naman. Perspective ko lang naman yun. No? But again, I'm not saying hey, you're selling your course. If you don't want to sell the course, if you just wanted to avail the free content that I have, no problem. Just avail the free content that I have here. If you want specific tactics for digital age, get the course $899. In fact, no, if hindi ka satisfied, pwede ka naman ibalik yung money mo. May 7-day money back guarantee naman if you're not really satisfied with it. Okay? So, yeah, no? So anyway, yun lang naman for me, guys. If you find value dito, no? Click mong share, tag mo yung mga teammates mo dito or if somebody nakilala mo that wanted to hear this, drop ko dyan heart emoji dyan sa my comments. Okay? And be a network marketer with a mentality of serving others. God bless everybody. See you again to the next video.